Example 6, huh? X equal to root 5 minus 2. able to see root 5 plus 2. ठीक है, so prove that x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 is an integer. Okay, integer you know, so just need to find x power 4 and plus 1 upon x power 4. Okay, so whenever you see such type of, because we you know formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, huh? And you know formula of uh, uh, a minus b not needed, but okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, you know formula of square and cube, you don't know formula of power 4, so you need to break this formula first. Okay, so first uh, first we'll x power 4, we'll try to find this formula. ठीक है, x plus x, see x power 4, what is it, x plus 1 upon x का whole square will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Okay, now this we got this one, right? Now we need to find x power 4. So if we do x square, okay, so from this we find x square plus 1 upon x square equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. This you don't know, you understood? Now we need to work till x power 4. So if we make this whole square, x square plus 1 upon x square का whole square, so this this is a, this is b. Okay, so it will become x square plus 1 upon x square, x power 4 a square plus b square plus 2. Understood? We need to find this value, right? So x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 will be x square plus 1 upon x square का whole square minus 2. This is understood? We got this, we need to find this. In this formula we have this, right? And we already know this one, and we have this, so we need to find this. This is the basic value. If we can find this one, we can find this one, and if we can get this one, we will get this one, then we can get this one, right? So this is basic. If you do this first, you will know that what you needed. So you need first the x plus 1 upon x. Understood? So x plus 1 upon x, first we need x plus 1 upon x equal to, we have x root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2 plus 1 upon x will be reverse, right? So it will be root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. Understood? Just no need to multiply this, because these already are rationalized numbers, right? Just take LCM, huh? If we take LCM, it will be root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 2. Okay, this whole square will be there, right? If you're not getting any point, you just ping me, huh? Understood this one? This will become a plus b, a minus b, right? A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now we need to solve this one, right? So this will become a minus ab whole square, a plus b whole square. So this will be 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5. Understood? Huh? This will be plus what we did. Okay, 5 plus 4 plus ka 4 root 5. Understood? So this will be 5 minus 4. Understood? this will and this cancel. 5 plus 4 9, 9 9 18, so we got 18. Okay, so x plus 1 upon x equal to 18. This you understood? Now we need to find this value. For this we need to first find this one. So x square plus 1 upon x square will be x plus 1 upon x का whole square minus 2. That will be 18 square minus 2. Because we need to find integer. No need to multiply square anything. Just keep it as like this only. We don't need any number. You can do this 18 square. You can do that at big number. If you want, you can do the multiplication. But we can leave this as it is if you want. Or you can multiply it. 64. What you want to say? 144. 8 1 4 2 324. 324 minus 2 322. This is okay. We got this one. We got this one. We need to find this one, right? So now we need to find x power 4. If you want, you can do some more technical way. Like you can write as x plus 1 upon x equal to 18. As per equation 1. This will be integer. As per equation 2, this is also integer. No need to do anything, just that also possible. But here it will be x square plus 1 upon x square ka whole square minus 2. We know this is 322. Okay, whole square minus 2. So we have 322 whole square minus 2, which is an integer. Okay, whatever you do, this is 1 million minus 2 is equal to integer. Okay, so we got x square power 4 plus 1 upon x. If you want, you can multiply. Is an integer. ठीक है? Okay, proof. ठीक है? Any doubt? I will explain again first. So first we need to find x square power 4. We don't know formula of x power. We can remember, but that's not basic formula. We should always remember basic formula. No need to learn so many formulas. So basic formula is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a cube b cube. That's the basic formula. After that you can make the formulas, right? So I made the formula from here, right? How? We know x plus, we have x, so we know x. We know x square y, so we need formulas of squares. So first we will find x square, x plus 1 upon x whole square equal to this. So we got this one. Now if we make square of this, we will get power 4. If there is a square, if we make it square of a square, it will become power 4. So square power 4. This formula you also understand. Again we did a plus b whole square. Now we got this, and this in term of x, right? Now just we need to put this value. So we need to find this value. For this we need to find x plus 1 upon. So first step is find x plus. That's the basic one. So if we do this, this become 18. Okay. Now x square plus 1 upon x square. This formula again. We got this value. Put the 18. If you want, you can do this, or you can write just it's an integer. And now we got x square. Now put the formula of this. This formula we got from equation 2. Equation 2. This, put the value 322 ka square minus 2, which is again integer. Proof. Okay, understood? Chalo close करेंगे.